This is the turkey cooking video. We're going to cook it in this pot. And I have some lovely things inside. Got some lunch items for me, some snacks, some spices, and rosemary that I pulled just literally this morning, pulled it right off of my plants in the front driveway. They smelled awesome, awesome. We got some butter. Let's see what else we got. Actually got Cutco knives. I don't know if you can see those, but they're very sharp. Turkey out of the refrigerator. This turkey feels like it's still a little frozen to me, but it's been in here for a couple of days. The first thing you do before you do anything always is you gotta wash your hands and wash and clean the environment we're in. Here's the turkey we got. It's Foster Farms. It's 13 pounds. We got it from Costco. I want to get this into the oven by 9-ish. Maybe not. So I'm cutting this turkey bag open. Okay. This is this plastic thing here. We're going to pull this off. Okay, so here's the turkey. You really don't need to pull that whole plastic thing out completely. I've looked inside this bird. It's completely rinsed out. It's just about having a good technique and knowing, you know, how long it is. Usually a turkey cooks 20 minutes a pound. It's a 13-pound bird, so it's going to be a little over 4 hours. And this is just sea salt, and this 21 season salute. My wife uses this on everything.
Okay. That's the easiest way.
So just some simple spices again. 21 season salute. I'm gonna rub some butter onto the skin so it will hold some of this stuff. We got some salt, and then I'm gonna put these sprigs of rosemary from my plant in our front yard. I got rosemary bush, and we're going to stick it inside and let that cook with the turkey. It'll make it smell and taste delicious. Just looking at this turkey makes me hungry. Now we're going to put some 21 season salute on here. Just went simple. Salt. I'm doing this outside. I normally do this inside, but I just want you guys to be able to see it. This is a little bird compared to what I normally cook in here. We'll cook it at 350 for about 4 hours. All right,